I do know, if you've sort of kept up with the press, that IRS is starting to use AI to try to look into returns and to determine, based on AI, what seems off, what seems off enough where it should trigger an audit. I remember many years ago, somebody had said, "Oh yeah, I think they're using an algorithm based on numbers," and I said, "Well, what does that mean?" The last two numbers, like, I think it was the last two numbers of every line, there's a certain randomness to patterns. And so if it's a 1, 3, 8, 9, and so on, it's just random. But if those lines and the last two digits don't meet a random pattern, then it's got to be fictitious. So what they do is they have a mathematical formula. They look at the randomness of numbers. It's like, if it's like 99%, there's no way these numbers are random. Somebody had to go, oh, what, So they'll look at that, and whether they use that for audit, I don't know. I do know this. Years ago, there was a tax return preparer whose clients all got picked up for audit, all of them. And so, and I had asked, I said, why did this tax return preparers, all of their clients, get picked up for audit? And they said because all of his clients had the same exact charitable contribution number on their return to the dollar. So, yeah, that's pretty stupid.
That's a red flag.
That's a red flag. Yeah, the same dollar amount showed up on charitable contributions on all the returns. So if you have a tax return preparer, they have to put their PIN, IPIN, I think is the number. And so it's really easy. Pull the IPIN and look at every return, look at the Schedule A, charitable contribution. Oh, $3,202. $3,202. Wait a second. This is just too easy. And so that's what happened. And everybody got pulled. And so when they got asked, like, why are you auditing me?
That's why. If things are too clean, it's something's going to smell fishy.